here we are again. I'm going to put the new spark plugs in today, put the exhaust manifold back on, new carburetor on, try to get the old fuel out, put new fuel in and try to start it. I got this badass mustache going on for No Shave November. I know it looks horrible, that's why I had it. Anyway, so yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. I cannot express how much frustration this fucking setup has caused me. Exhaust manifold cannot be put in with the starter in place, but it also can't fucking fit in there where the starter needs to be. If the starter's loose, it just doesn't fit. I'd take apart this whole linkage down here from the steering just to get it kind of able to get in place. I still haven't even been able to get it to the place it needs to be, and it is a pain in the ass. I understand why the previous owner beat these pipes and dented them in so he could take the spark plugs out without having to remove this exhaust manifold, because it is a pain in the ass. Okay, so I got the starter put back in, new spark plugs, exhaust manifold put back on. It only took me all day. Whoever puts spark plugs where you cannot access them with the exhaust manifold on sucks. And these bolts suck. I hate whoever designed that, but it's all good. I'm done. I don't have time to put on the new carburetor and hook that all back up because I have to go play hockey. So I'm gonna do that next week, maybe. Getting closer.